Hey, what's up guys, it's Alan and my buddy here, Alejandro. Today we're working on our car. As you see, he's got already his on our ghetto stands. Not joking. I'm joking. Today we're switching out the exhaust on both our cars. We're switching them out. We're gonna see what they sound like. And he's running right now what exhaust is he running right now? Remark, yeah, he's got the axle back. Remark, or excuse me, cat back, right?
Yeah, technically, yeah, now it's a cat back.
Right now I'm running the MBRP exhaust catback. I like the sound of mine. I do have mufflers, so it's not as loud as his. So I don't think it's gonna take us too long, right? It's not gonna take too long, but the sooner we start, the sooner we can get this all done. So we got the exhaust off, it's over here. First, started just for fun. Got it on video. Oh my god. Hey, it could have been worse. It could have been way worse.
Alright,
let's just lift it. Alright guys, we just got the MBRP exhaust installed. We're gonna turn it on, see what it sounds like on the GR86. Welcome back guys. We have completely finished the job. We're done installing the exhaust on both the cars. Yeah, we're about to drive these cars one by one and we're gonna get a reaction out of how they sound. We're gonna hop in the GR. Damn, who'll be sitting like this, man? Who'll be sitting like this? Goddamn. How do you feel after doing all that?
Finally.
Yeah, like the job's over now. We're good. You're like, it's not as loud as my Remark.
No, it's not.
Oh, what? Mine doesn't pop like that. And mine doesn't pop in those gears. Bruh. We're gonna see what the Remark exhaust sounds like
on Alan's 86.
So far, it is noticeably a little loud. It is noticeably loud.
Yeah, it is. It is. It could also be that your catalytic converters It could also be that your catalytic converters are more restrictive than mine.
You think so?
Yeah. See, like you get one good one, like decent one.
So right now we're on our way to go to Chick-fil-A. We're gonna get some food, and you know, after long days of working on the cars, it's fair to say we are hungry boys. Coming the rear end. Ah, dude, that car sounds good. We better get some food. We just finished up at Chick-fil-A. What a delicious meal. I'm grateful. So good. My friend Wicho here is so happy to be here with us. I'll just like get this camera out of my face. All jokes aside, pretty good day. Got some good work done. If I'm being honest, I miss my exhaust. But that's okay, I have time to test with it. This is the exhaust. MBRP one on his. Looking clean. I like how it sounds.
It's got a good tone to it.
Good tone. But you miss yours though?
Yeah.
Okay. Right now.
Yours is fucking. I mean, mine.
It sounds good, but at least on mine I could make the pops. But we'll see right now. We'll see. We'll see how it sounds. Bro, this car's looking clean. Same with the GR.
Let's put the spacers on. But like once like you want to test with the spacer.
So we just parted ways, guys, with Alejandro. We're now gonna head out.
Nice car.
Thanks. Appreciate it. Have a good day. You know, it's really nice getting compliments out from other people. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. I had a lot of fun putting it together, and I do have another video coming out pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. I do need to make an intro video as far as what the channel is going to be like, but you can expect to see some vlog kind of style content with cars and friends. So go ahead and drop a like and a comment. Comments are definitely encouraged. Some suggestions for future content. And yeah, this is a fun little hobby that I'm trying out, and I really would like to continue it. So thanks for watching. God bless everyone, and have a great day.